Elon Musk wants to create a city on Mars. This isn't just a wild dream, it's a well-thought-out plan that he has been working on for years. Musk envisions a thriving metropolis on the red planet, complete with homes, schools, and businesses. He believes that humanity's future lies in becoming a multiplanetary species, and Mars is the first step in that grand vision. He believes humans need a backup plan. Our planet, Earth, is beautiful and full of life, but it's also fragile. Musk argues that having a second home for humanity is essential for our long-term survival. This isn't about abandoning Earth. It's about ensuring that our species can continue to thrive, no matter what challenges we face. Earth faces risks like asteroids and climate change. These are not just theoretical threats, they are real dangers that could have catastrophic consequences. An asteroid impact could wipe out life as we know it, and climate change is already causing severe weather events and altering ecosystems. By establishing a presence on Mars, we create a safety net for humanity. Mars could be our second home. The red planet has the potential to support human life, but it will require significant effort and innovation. From creating sustainable habitats to developing life support systems, the challenges are immense, but so are the rewards. Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing Earth as a distant blue dot. Musk's company, SpaceX, is building rockets and spaceships. These aren't just any rockets. They are designed to be reusable and capable of carrying large numbers of people and cargo. The Starship, in particular, is a game changer. It's designed to make space travel more affordable and accessible, bringing the dream of Mars colonization closer to reality. They aim to transport people to Mars. The goal is to make space travel as routine as air travel is today. Imagine booking a ticket to Mars just like you would for a flight to another country. This vision is not as far-fetched as it once seemed, thanks to the advancements being made by SpaceX. The goal is to establish a self-sustaining civilization. This means creating a community that can survive and thrive without constant support from Earth. From growing food to generating energy, the settlers on Mars will need to be self-reliant. This is a monumental task, but it's also an incredible opportunity to push the boundaries of human ingenuity. This means living off Mars resources. The planet has water ice, which can be used for drinking water and to produce oxygen and fuel. The soil can be used to grow crops, and the abundant sunlight can be harnessed for solar power. By utilizing these resources, the settlers can create a sustainable way of life on Mars. The first humans on Mars will be pioneers. They will be the trailblazers, setting the stage for future generations. These brave individuals will face numerous challenges, from the harsh environment to the isolation from Earth. But they will also have the unique opportunity to be part of something historic, something that could change the course of human history. They will face challenges, but they will also have amazing opportunities. The Martian environment is harsh, with extreme temperatures and frequent dust storms. But overcoming these challenges will lead to incredible advancements in technology and human resilience. The lessons learned on Mars could also help us solve problems here on Earth. They will be building a new world. This is not just about survival, it's about creating a new chapter in human history. A Martian city will be a testament to human ingenuity, collaboration, and the unyielding spirit of exploration. It's a bold vision, but with determination and innovation, it can become a reality. Imagine waking up to the news. Humans are on Mars. The world would be in shock and awe. The headlines would be everywhere, from newspapers to social media, capturing the historic moment. This is a day that would be etched in the annals of human history. The world would be in shock and awe. People would gather in public spaces, homes, and offices glued to their screens. Conversations would be dominated by this monumental achievement. The sense of unity and collective pride would be palpable. Everyone would be glued to the news, watching the first images from the red planet. The images of the Martian landscape, the red soil, and the distant horizon would be mesmerizing. It would be a moment of wonder and curiosity as humanity takes its first steps on another world. On Mars, the first settlers would be busy. They would be setting up their new home, working tirelessly to ensure everything is in place. The harsh environment would demand their full attention and expertise. They would need to set up life support systems. These systems would be crucial for their survival, providing them with the necessary air, water, and shelter. Every piece of equipment would be meticulously checked and double-checked. They would check their equipment and supplies. Ensuring that everything is functioning correctly would be a top priority. Any malfunction could be catastrophic in such an unforgiving environment. they would begin exploring their new home. The Martian landscape, with its rocky terrain and dusty plains, would be both fascinating and challenging. Every step would be a new discovery, every rock a potential clue to the planet's history. Excitement would be mixed with anxiety. The thrill of exploration would be tempered by the reality of their isolation. They would be pioneers in the truest sense, venturing into the unknown. The astronauts would be far from home, in a harsh environment. The vast distance from Earth would be a constant reminder of their isolation. Yet, their determination and spirit would drive them forward. Their every move would be watched from Earth. Mission control would be their lifeline, providing guidance and support. The entire world would be watching, cheering them on, and hoping for their success. This is just the beginning of humanity's journey to the stars. Traveling to Mars takes about 6 months. The journey is risky, with radiation and space debris. SpaceX's Starship is designed to carry many people and supplies. On Mars, the thin atmosphere doesn't protect well from radiation. The settlers need special habitats for protection. They would likely live underground or in shielded structures. Water is crucial. Mars has ice that can be melted. Growing food on Mars is possible with Martian soil and greenhouses. Life on Mars would be different from Earth. Gravity is weaker. Days are slightly longer. The environment is dusty and cold. Martians would spend their time working and exploring. They would conduct scientific research and build the colony. They might even find evidence of past life on Mars. Communication with Earth would have a delay. Martians would need to be self-sufficient and resourceful. They would create their own culture and traditions. The colonization of Mars would fundamentally change Earth. It would spark incredible technological advancements. New industries would emerge, focused on space travel and colonization. People might feel differently about Earth. Knowing humanity has a backup plan could make us more or less careful about our planet. Mars would transform from a red dot in the sky to a new world. It would be a symbol of human ambition and ingenuity. The Martian economy would start small. The focus would be on survival and self-sufficiency. As the colony grows, so would the economy. Mining would be important. Mars has resources like water ice, metals, and rare earth elements. These could be used on Mars or even sent back to Earth. Tourism might become a possibility in the future. Imagine visiting another planet. This would bring more money to the Martian economy. Elon Musk's vision for Mars is ambitious. He envisions a future where humanity is not confined to Earth, but spreads its wings across the solar system. His plans include building a self-sustaining city on Mars, with the ultimate goal of making life multiplanetary. It might seem impossible, but humans have achieved amazing things before. From landing on the moon to building the International Space Station, our history is filled with milestones that once seemed out of reach. These achievements remind us that with determination and innovation, we can overcome the most daunting challenges. Landing on Mars is a real possibility in our lifetime. With advancements in technology and the relentless pursuit of exploration, the dream of setting foot on the red planet is closer than ever. Rovers and spacecraft have already paved the way, sending back invaluable data and images. If we do colonize Mars, it will be a turning point in human history. Establishing a human presence on another planet would not only be a monumental achievement, but also a safeguard for the future of our species. It would mark the beginning of a new era of exploration and discovery. We will become a multiplanetary species. This transformation will redefine what it means to be human, as we adapt to new environments and challenges. Living on Mars will require innovation in every aspect of life, from agriculture to architecture, and will push the boundaries of our ingenuity. The future on Mars is full of possibilities. Imagine cities with advanced technology, sustainable living environments, and a society that thrives on collaboration and resilience. The Red Planet could become a hub for scientific research, technological advancements, and a new frontier for human civilization. The Red Planet holds many secrets. Its unique landscape, with craters, valleys, and ancient riverbeds, offers clues about its past and the potential for life. Exploring Mars will help us understand the planet's history and its capacity to support human life. It could teach us about the universe and our place in it. By studying Mars, we can gain insights into the formation and evolution of planets, the potential for life beyond Earth, and the future of our own planet. Mars research could unlock answers to some of the most profound questions in science. It could be our next giant leap. Just as the moon landing inspired a generation, a successful mission to Mars would ignite the imagination of people around the world. It would symbolize our collective ambition and our unyielding spirit of exploration, paving the way for future generations to reach even further into the cosmos.